Scorpion Trade is a neural network-based bot that earned more than $10,000 in the last week, and I'm sharing it with you for free. The process of getting a robot will take only a few minutes. Go to the bot from the video description and launch it. Scorpion will send you a link to register for the Pocket Option. Click on it and create a new account. After verification, use a promo code to top up your balance, which will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This was the last step towards getting the best trading assistant for Pocket Option. Now, we can start. We're glad to introduce you our New Year's update. Now, you can use 4 new currency pairs, 10 seconds and 30 minutes expiration time options. Of course, we'd like to recommend you to use our new Auto Choose feature. It can analyze all the assets and choose the one which is the best at this moment. After the asset was chosen, select the expiration time, confirm your choice and open a deal. That's so easy. Remember, don't worry if you lose the deal. Just double up the trade amount and go on.